butterfly! The butterfly is back. It's fluttering in the leaves. It's a white butterfly. I wonder if it's because it's attracted to what's going on in the flower bed. Doesn't this look like rhubarb? The dappled sunlight. Something that's really funny that I'll share is that every time I start recording and talking to you guys, the wind comes, and then it's like I stop recording and I stop the video and then the wind stops, and I can't tell if because I'm talking about it now the wind is gonna stop or if it's gonna keep going. But in my last take it was really windy out here, but I kind of love it. I feel like it's because I talked about it. But I love you, wind. You can be here. You can be here, wind. So I think my hair is the problem in this outfit right now. Or yeah, I feel like I could wear better shoes, I could have better hair, but I'm actually really happy with basically this used to be like a dress, like a very basic plain standard striped dress that was like a maxi style, and then I cut it into a top and skirt. This is the top, but as it was, it didn't really feel like my style. But with this cutout design that I made, I'm like, okay, this is my style. This skirt, I've been just playing around with it so much. The maxi style, it goes longer, but today, because it's so hot, I wanted it shorter. So I've put it higher on my waist, and it actually looks like a different version of the dress in this way, other than just like a top and skirt situation. Anywho, I hope you're hearing the birds. Yes, I hope you like this. I feel like I'm learning how to do a top and skirt in so many different combos. As I wear this, it feels so cool to have two pieces that can support a low-waist lifestyle, but also how you want to express yourself in different styles. Outside, and I'm lying down and there's a bit of a breeze just because we have all these trees to help the air quality, to help bring down the heat. Trees are just, they make everything better. They really do. Ah! This is me lying down. In my last video I said how like your yoga mat can help be like a substitute for outdoor patio furniture, and I realized some people probably would think that that's so silly and like very lackluster, and I didn't even realize that until I was like, oh yeah, I think I was just in my mindset of light things that are kind of cushiony, and but also I think I've had to be so like scrappy all my life.
So I think that's also why I thought it could be an option. It really wasn't me trying to like, yeah, anyways. So I realized to some people it's probably like, what? Why are you calling this a substitute for patio furniture? And I think, yeah, anyways, and I realized, oh, maybe that does feel really lackluster, but I think I just think really scrappily, so in my head it seems like a substitute, but I know this is not, like, obviously right now it's not giving. But I'm still having a great time because my view is this. So it's beautiful. There are a lot of branches here. And we also thought this tree was dead, but then it started growing leaves later in the summer. Like all the other trees were growing leaves and this one wasn't, and we thought it was dead. Then it started growing. Nature is just so... I feel like they teach so much about resilience, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm starting to need food for my brain to keep going.